ఏంటి స్టోరీ బుక్స్ ఇవి, స్టోరీ బుక్స్ అన్బాక్సింగ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్. యా, ఓపెన్ అన్బాక్సింగ్ బై Shanvee and Shathwick.
Ito ipalta mamaya. Ipalta. Yeah. Kita lego. Bende. Undandu. Alakadu.
This is very terrible unboxing.
Unboxing.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Indra.
No, these are not story books. So these are. Wait. Let me see. Wait. What is this? Picture book collections. Okay. It's not. These are not story books. Comic books. Combo pack. Okay. Picture books. Okay. ఏమిటి అన్బాక్సింగ్? వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ హియర్? వాట్స్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్? ఏ how many books is there? Shapes and colors. Vehicles, body parts. ఇదేంటిది? ABC collections. Fruits. Animals. Animals 1 or 2. ఏంటివి? వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్ ఇవి. నాకు చూపించండి. వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్. గుడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ ఇవి. దీంట్లో ఉన్న ఒక హ్యాబిట్ నీకుందా? Hey guys, these books are published by Incavo. Yeah, right. I think it's right, but we have a website here also. These are 12 books set. Okay. These are 12 books set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Every book contains different contents. So you can see here numbering also. Number 1 level, number 2 level, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9, level 10, 11, 12. Final level is about sentences.
We have 12 books. Each book contains different topics. These books for nursery students, LKG, UKG students. There are levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12 levels, 12 stages. These books are called picture book collection for early learning. First stage, ABCD. Words. Second stage, numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This book contains 1 to 100, 200, 1000, 1 crore. Next, third stage. This book contains shapes and colors. Next, 4. Stage 4. Flowers. This book contains flowers names, different types of flowers. Flowers are the different types of flowers are there. Next, stage 5. Fruits. Different types of fruits are there. We learn so many types of fruits. These books are very useful to children. Next, stage 6. Vegetables. Vegetable names. Different types of vegetables. Next, stage 7. Birds. And this book contains birds names, different types of birds. Next, stage 8. Stage 8. Animals. This book contains animals names. Animals. This contains domestic animals, domestic and pet animals. Next, stage 9. This book contains wild animals. Wild animals. Next, stage 10. Vehicles. This book contains vehicles. Bikes, bus, cycle, tractor. Next, stage 11. This book contains parts of the body like hands, legs, ear, nose, etc. Next, stage 12. This book contains good habits. What children do, what children can do.
So these products you can buy from Amazon or Flipkart, and also you can buy it from inekavo.com. Yeah, I think publishers in Kavo. Yeah, you can buy these books and more books also you can available there. You can book it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.